Can you really become an iPad multitasking master in just 5 minutes? You are likely using your powerful device for basic tasks. Most users only scratch the surface, missing out on features like split view or slide over. Let us unlock your iPad's true potential. First, master split view. Swipe from the top to open 2 apps side by side, perfect for taking notes while watching a video. Next is slide over. Swipe partially from the edge to keep a secondary app floating, allowing you to switch between tasks instantly. Use the app shelf by swiping up and holding to see all your active windows, making it easy to manage multiple projects. Finally, enable Stage Manager on newer iPadOS versions to organize multiple overlapping windows into a desktop-like, fluid workspace. Imagine dragging and dropping content between 3 apps seamlessly. This workflow will change how you use your tablet forever. Try these techniques today to boost your productivity. Comment your favorite trick below and subscribe for more iPad efficiency tips.